kulelo la ngeke kulavela bo kusela vele kwamoshela yumkinto my father kulavile babona ukuthi like ngiyakhala bo but he didn't care.
Sure.
He didn't care to the point ukuthi yena he enjoyed doing it. Then my mom started noticing changes in my body. My urine sevele vele kuziphumela.
Okay.
Angisakusuthi ngiyazibamba nge-toilet. Umajoke wami there's always this white stuff. I still remember that day. Even I still remember what I was wearing. Yeah, sure. Because ilanga linjenga awumana ulikhohla bo.
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Mraro and I'm overjoyed to have you clicking and watching this specific episode. Look, we are spotlighting you. We love the fact that you are visiting us and we want to showcase you on this episode. So if you check on the comments below, we are putting down the handles of the people that have been commenting on the previous episode. So comment on this episode and watch the next one. You'll be able to see your name. Thank you so much, guys, for your support and your love and tuning into this show and supporting it. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Do ring the bell button. I don't even know if the bell button is still there, but if you can see it, please ring it so that you will know when we upload the next episode. By the way, guys, we've activated a membership segment to our channel. Why? Because we really want to start going out and helping people. So, small disclaimer. Today's show is a very sensitive one, specifically to the guest who has visited us. We have decided to protect his image by basically just killing the light and not having his face show. We will be able to hear him, but please just excuse us for this specific one because we want to create a safe space for everyone so that everyone can come and open up and share about the challenges that they've been experiencing. Without wasting time, let's jump into today's episode. Mnumzana kunjani?
Thank
you so much for making time and coming through, as difficult as it was for you to come through and sit here and share what you have to share today. I'm not even going to ask you who you are, unfortunately. We're just going to jump into it. Umnumzana ngathi ubekwa yini la namhlanje?
First of all, ngithanda ukubonga ithuba ukuthi ngibe lana. Namhlanje ngize ngokuthi ngizobeka udaba lwami about i-rape eyenzeka ngisesemncane. Yes. So yeah, ngifuna like big story, kube ne-awareness, kube nabantu bazuza upfront abahlukumezile ukuthi it's not too late.
Okay.
With like report and there's still a chance. Yeah.
Powerful.
So uthi ngiqalele ndawo yami.
Okay. Ngicela ukuvimba kancane. Before we start, ngicela sikhulume ngendawo la uphuma khona ukuthi kunjani. I don't want to speak about the location itself, but I want to speak about the people who surround you la uphuma khona endlini, your family and people around you. Do they know this story?
Yes, they do know it.
They do know it. Okay, so they won't be surprised when they see
it. No,
it.
they won't be surprised.
Okay. Is there anyone who will be seeing this story and hearing it for the first time within your circle?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. No, not a problem. I just wanted to pass lapo. Maybe before going forward, if you feel that this story touches you and it walks on your toes, you're allowed to come through to us, sit with us, clear your name. We do give you that opportunity. But for today, let's give my brother a chance so that he can tell us ukuthi kahle kahle kwayenzakalani.
All right. Indaba iqale ngisesemncane. While I was still living in Langaville. So my mother was in a relationship with my father. So as time goes by, my father became abusive towards my mother. So as he was abusive, my mother had to file a divorce and we became separate.
Okay. So baba kukuzalayo lo?
Yes, my father.
Okay.
Yes. So njoba besihlukene vele Bihlala, like it was from Mikaya. It was maybe like a 10 minutes walk to Laba Mahlala Kon. He was selling uchwal. Yes, it was a tavern basically. Yes, so obviously there was a family divorce and some sort of things. Nan. Mina njengoba ngisesemncane, i-cognitive thinking lapho ibingaka on that level ne. So bekunalento yokuthini, why am I sengihlukene, I want to live with my father nan. So every time ebusuku I had to sneak out ekhaya to see my father. So mengilokhu busy sneak out nan me ubaba he usually give me sweets, chocolates, and made me watch movies. So at that time I had no problem, but my mother had a problem which like ungasayi laphana, your father is dangerous, na. So mina bengacace ukuthi like kwenzakalani. Yeah, so there was this one time ngaya kubaba I think it was Friday, maybe Friday, because there was this special show that bithanda ukudlala ngama Friday. Nan ngikhohle igama yeshow yakhona. So after the show iphela bese siyi-2 endlini. Bese siyi-2 kanjalo we turn off i-TV, then angibuza ukuthi like kwenzakalani, right nan that ngathi right. Then he turned on i-TV futhi. Makalight i-TV kanjalo, he put on i-pornography ku-TV. Yes, pornography. Like I was sesemncane, I don't know like kwenzakalani, why abantu bangcono sort of stuff. He made me watch porn. I was exposed to pornography.
Sure.
He made me watch, like several nights. Low piece, ngiya kuye, nana bengawubona wrong. Then mina kubhizi yenzeka kanje, kwafika like ukuthini, made me watch porn and acted a porn game.
Ungathi you were how old when this was happening?
7.
Sure.
Yes, 7 years old. As he made me watch porn. After ending a clip on porn, he will usually call me to his bedroom and say, "Come, I have a surprise for you."
Sure.
Then he's like, ngiya kuye hamchita angikhumulisa ibhuku, khumulisa ijoki. Then he started playing with my penis.
Sure.
Penis adlala ngayo. Like bakabona ukuthi like ngiyakhala bo. But he didn't care.
Sure.
He didn't care to the point ukuthini yena he enjoyed doing it. I was like, okay. No, literally I think we was like weeks or a month long busy. Then I had kwandlula iviki ngayanga kuye. Makudlula iviki ngayanga kuye, then my mom started noticing changes in my body.
Okay.
Yes, then wangilovisa esikolweni, wangibuza ukuthi like sekwenzakalani nani, wathanda ukuya laphana, ibinokukhuzile ukuthi ungayi laphana nani. Then makangigeza he noticed ukuthi like my urine sevele kuziphumela.
Okay.
Angisakufuna ukuthi ngiyazibamba nge-toilet. Yes. So while I was bathing, he asked me like kwenzakalani. Then I was like, no, like into enzakalayo bo, nana just nginobaba ngiyadlala phela sibukela ama-movie, ngidlisa ama-sweet.
Sure.
That's all. Ngabuyela futhi kuye, then ngabuyela kubaba futhi after a week. Wangibuza si why bongezi last week. Ngamtshela ukuthi bengibhizi yabo nomama nani. Then mengibuyela futhi kumama wathi hayi no man le ndaba le siba serious. Umajoke wami there's always this white stuff. Yeah, this white stuff. I don't know. Some people call it in discharge or something. Yeah, na bengayazi ukuthi yini. Then I showed my mom with like yebo yini le nan. Then wathula zangangiphendula.
Okay.
Angiphendula kanjalo. Okay, fine. I went to my father again. Kulelo langa ngeke kula vela bo kusela vele kwamoshela yonke into. My father kula vele sang-rape vele.
Sure.
Yes.
So you took it a step forward as opposed to playing with you.
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah, so rape happened. I still remember that day. It was evening. I still remember what I was wearing. Yeah,
Sure.
because ilanga linjenga mana ulukhohla bo.
Sure.
Yeah, it still plays a big trauma in my head. So yeah, then after those weeks, months, and my mother gave kulangisa khona a kids clinic.
Yeah.
I think it was a Boxburg.
Okay. But maybe before sindlula lapho, because I feel ukuthi that's where then it anchors. I want to sort of understand ukuthi la ubabakho bekahlala khona, bekahlala eyedwa, bekahlala nobani, bekuyewa.
No, bangahlala ngathi bangahlala, but it was really outly like a ichinchana nama abafazi.
Okay.
Nan. Yeah,
Okay.
really outly.
All right.
Bangahlala eyi-one.
Okay. So mega busy ayenza lento yenzayo. What's going on in your mind? What are you thinking? Kwenzakalani uyakhala? What's
Yes, njengoba ngisasho ukuthi iqale like when he was playing with my penis, the pain that I was feeling at that time, yabo. Yeah, it was an unbearable pain. Like uyabuthi ngiyakhala, but still doesn't care.
Eish.
Keeps on going about nani. Make me watch porn, just nakanjalo, play with my penis, rape me, just nakanjalo.
And then umamakho ke, because you are saying ukuthi she took you to a clinic. What did she pick up? What made her say asambe clinic?
Okay, before see clinic njengoba ngisasho, she noticed some changes in my body. Changes like ukuthi when I go to the toilet, me you come like sometimes being camera. Then at the back, yes, nakhona bekuba mess.
Eish.
Meaning yes, I poop myself. Just nakanjalo yabo. Okay. So wangibuya like sekwenzakalani lana. Kula ngitshela khona ukuthi hayi kule njengoba binya kubaba yabo. Ziningi izinto ebezenzakala, then ngihlalisa phansi sakhuluma. Sikhuluma kanjalo kula waqala wathatha i-step forward, wangisa kuma-psychologist, wangise e-kids clinic. Yeah.
So would you say at that point when nihlala phansi nikhuluma nomama, was it the first time you were officially opening up to her about what had been happening?
Yes.
Lapha nobaba.
Yes.
What was her reaction? Mumtshela lento bumtshela yona.
This very mama really wakhala. She was in disbelief. She wanted to go and confront ubaba with like kwenzakalini wamenza sona izinto kanjalo. Even batshela nani umndeni kababa ukuthi nasa yenze phela sabusini abo emntwaneni. Then umndeni kababa bamdefend, but no, ndisikhuluma nonsense. Ayeke yenze leyo nto baba nani.
Sure.
Yeah, so that's where kube ne conflict ebhaya. Yabo ukuthi
At what point now does the story move from you to him? Uyithola nini yena ukuthi vele shukuthi wena sukhulumile lapha, and what would you say is his response yena personally on his side?
baba Like vele kona vele bangasangifuni vele. Response yakhe balobhiza phika athi angiyenzanga leyo nto nani azange ngithinte nani. So as there was denial nani, we had to go and report emaphoyiseni.
Okay.
Yes, sayo emaphoyiseni sayo sovula ikhisi rape. Mesivula ikhisi rape baya under ma procedures nani. Yeah, bahamba ngicheck ikhisi clinic ukuthi vele it is true ukuthi vele ngithintile. Results came, it was true vele ukuthi vele. Even the result on the table, he was still in denial. Nabo phi uthi no ngiyenzanga leyo nto nani. I think ijele spend I think like not more than a week. Yeah.
So manje awusho, take me back to that point where he's given the results. Nikupi? Are you at the police station? Are you at the children's clinic? Yenzakala kuphi lento ukuthi awathole vele ama results?
Ama results watholi e-court.
Okay.
Yes, indawo yami ifikile i-court eBrakpan, if I remember correctly. Yeah, that's where ukuthi i-court then basho ukuthi ubama uyenzile into leyo, but yilo waphunyuka due to a lack of evidence.
Okay.
Yes, that's where like wilaba uthi ndabe ba serious wabo ukuthi abo like isa respond kanjani to situation. Sisithola sesama makhothi, no, the people protesting outside, if I remember that day. Yeah, kumbula yonke yenzaka like that day. The people protesting ba supporta mina ukuthi like angisana sesikolweni ngincane kanje ngihamba makhothi instead of ngabe ngesikolweni. Yeah, like it is nakanjalo, like yeah.
Sure. And then since court ukuphi wena uphakathi court naye uyambona what's the
bengimbona. I remember that day. I even remember what he was wearing. Was wearing a bunch brown. Yeah. But it was my first time seeing umbona a punch. Yeah, that's where like he as isikhathi sihamba cognitive thinking I'm like below busy ukuthi sengihamba makhothi, this person that I really adored, this person I really loved, he did this to me. Yabo. Yeah, sesekhothi the judges came, bekunelawyer eceleni kwami, ngathi translator.
Okay.
Yeah, because if I remember correctly, the judge was umlungu. Yes, it was umlungu. So whatever he was saying, bekunye translate which like yabo kuthiwa nani. So court ngabeka sonke story like kwenzakaleni nani. Yes.
So manje mubeki story, you are 7 years old at that time.
Yes, I was 7 years old.
You are standing at the testimony box.
No, I go testimony box like I'm not being seduced in a lawyer. I was just there was this facade there near box.
Okay.
Yeah. Linga being fishy ukuthi ngakhona ukubona like kahle, but ilawyer mbi ngabeceleni kwami.
Okay.
So yeah, like bengizwa izinto ezina kanjalo. Good like kwenzakalani.
Okay.
Nani yes.
Okay, so awubonanga abantu basically ufikile.
Yeah, abantu bengibabona ilaba semva kwami.
Okay.
Yeah, ilaba bazile, ilaba ngisupportayo, family kamama.
Okay.
Mama yeah, ilabo bantu.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Sure. And then how does it progress ke? Iphela njani indaba ngalelo langa?
On that day in the court, ngoba I think i-court ngihambe, I think ama-months slow space basinikeza ama-date sahambe sibuya kanjalo. Then it comes to ukuthi it was a final day vele ukuthi yabo were we jail or akasayi jail. Yeah, results came, she judge ukuthi due to ngazi lack of evidence nani ubaba ngikho bakwazi ukuthi bambophe.
Sure.
Yeah, so basically that's how he got away. Even now, usesekhona.
Sure.
Yeah, usesekhona.
How was the response from the people when that verdict was given?
Wow, obvious people were shattered, you know. They were babangizwela ubuhlungu ukuthi like akupheli lana sazokunceda sesayidini lakho nani izinto ezinakanjalo, you know.
Sure.
Then as time went by, we had to move from la bihlala khona sama sayohlala eTsakani.
Okay.
Yes.
So between the date of the court getting thrown out and them saying he's not guilty, there's no evidence, do you see him again in between? Yabona estradini.
No, yena usesekhona la ngavili ngaseTsakani ngisambona.
Yeah. But ni move nini after court?
Yeah, after yonke lama conflicts ama court and everything, we had to move out for start a new life. Ngihambe nami esikolweni sisha. Izinto ezinakanjalo. Yeah. So my mom even reached out to ama sponsors back in 2008. Yeah, indaba lenzeke ngabo 2008 lapho. I-sponsors reach out because bayizwile indaba yami. It was Pampers, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the Pampers Corporation or whatever lebayibiza ngayo. Yeah, there was this guy who handed over ama Pampers abo. Good like ama Pampers. I was not wearing hijoki no more.
Sure.
Yeah, because of indaba yala ngesimove. Yes. So can you imagine 7-year-old using Pampers?
Sure.
Yeah. So I even asked myself, would like how I thought ngidlulile ule produce ngigqoka ama Pampers. So why ngisabuyela manje ngigqoka ama Pampers? No? Yeah, so basinikeza saphuma naku I even have proof lapha. Yeah, savela naku magazine. Yes, kweza labantu ababe magazine. Sasho story ba printer out kweza nama sponsors kahle i-sponsor so1 lisa ama Pampers ngikhuluma ngazo.
Sure.
Yeah, vele basinikeza then yeah kula after lapho yonke leyo process leyo sahamba basisa home. Yeah, me and my brothers sahamba sayohlala home because of le ndaba le yenze ukuthi umama abe ne depression to the point ukuthi babona ukuthi ama social worker namaphoyisa ukuthi angeke asakwazi usinakekela because of indaba yami. Then we had to go and stay at home in Pretoria. Yeah, I think in Social Nguvu. Yeah, Social Nguvu.
Sure.
Yeah, we were basigcina basinakekela yonke. I think sihlale boma I don't know, maybe 5 years or 3 years lapho. Can't remember.
Sure.
Yeah. So mama besimbona ukuthi like uyasivakashela wathi ngisivakashela yena izinto ezinanje up until yena azabe right.
Okay.
Yes, because bakala i-Child Market hospital la eJoburg.
Okay.
Yeah, because both bakani depression. Then after awaqeda ukusidischarge lapha kula sahlala eTsakani.
Eish.
Yeah, kula saqala impilo fresh kabusha vele. But indaba yami bengakandluli because bengisesene damage ngimi. Yes, because sile Kids Clinic eBoksburg run through some tests ukuthi testa i-cognitive yami ne-verbal yami ukuthi njani. Apparently I was worse to the point ukuthi bathi esikolweni ngingayi because angeke ngikwazi cooperate nabanye abantwana ukufunda izinto ezinakanjalo. Yeah, I think at that time Yeah, ngihlala isikhathi eside ngayo esikolweni. I think ngabudala ngaqeda isikele, I mean.
Sure.
Yeah, so
Sorry man. So kungayi kwakho esikolweni wenzani in between? Is there things that you're doing to practice
recently.
ngisho ukuthi during that
Back
time when
then.
they were saying ukuthi ungayi esikolweni, so in between that wenzani during the day?
Mostly because I had kuphi ekids clinic bele banginikeza ama-toys. Yes, ama-toys. I think maybe ngiyabheka manje it was because of mhlawumbe ufuna ukubheka ukuthi like because I remember babanginikeze i-toys lo mfana labafana nani imoto nani so ngathi babangitest ukuthi like ngama-toys like nga-operate kanjani in the real world.
Okay.
So ngabona ukuthi like ngadlala ngawo. I had this toy bengilithanda. Yes, bengithanda ukugqokisa like bekuyi-soldier. Yabo. Ngizwasha impahla zakhe like yabo izinto kanjalo. Then I think at that time long busy bangidevelopa i-relationship nale toy. Good no abo my singiliphi igama sengiyazi ukuthi like mina ngivuka ngobani isikhathi ngidlale nalo izinto ezina kanjalo. Ngathi into ebabangithesta ngayo lapha e-kids clinic ukuthi like nengiphathi kwabantu how anxious I am.
Okay.
Ngishaye kangakanani izinto ezina kanjalo. Then bese kumele manje ukuthi ngihamba ama-test ey'bhedlela because ayibhedlela ngizambile eziningabi. Till this day angawutholi usizo.
Sure.
Angawutholi usizo.
So why bakuhambisa esibhedlela?
Bangihambisa esibhedlela is because of ama-private parts wami.
Okay.
Yes. Because I remember njengoba sicala ePostbank I had bruises la phambili. Yes, I had bruises la phambili kula. It was the first thing bayinotisile bo nesibala pha. Ukuthi like umntana kunama bruises nani so kula vele bayi state under i-rape.
Okay.
Angireferela Joburg.
Sure.
Isibhedlela. Joburg esibhedlela. Ngathi vele bangiputha under anesthesia.
Okay.
They had to run ama-test. Ukuthi how serious the situation is, how like ngilimele kangakanani. Banyenza result came uyabonisa ukuthi vele angilimele.
Sure.
Angilimele ngaleyo ndlela vele. Yabo. So about doctor because it's a public babalobhizi basireferela ePhulusong kulesibhedlela. So at that time mama banganani imali ukuthi abo lokho abhizi nalena bese lokubhizi siyeka silandelela indaba because besibhayiswa imali.
Okay.
But we had people abasinceda like neighbors yabo izinto kanjalo nabangani bakamama. Yes. Fast forward kula khona bangcina la ePhulusong I think for amaviki. Ngalala vele lapha. Mingilala laphana mama mbakalobhizi azozongicheck ukuthi abo senginjani nana. Nambe ngazi ukuthi like kwenzakalani like okay why ngisesibhedlela yabo ngama drip ugqoka impahla zesibhedlela igawuni yakhona kanti ngiphuma nje like bengifuna ekhaya yabo. Because bengathani ukuba lapha esibhedlela sinzena kanjalo. Then during that time even my father at that time bakalo wabhiza send ama threats to mama ukuthi like lento lena akayenzanga yabo thina simjwayela kabi
Sure.
nabo. Yeah, I was throwing these threats. So throw my threats kanjalo like nenye into esiphushile ukuthi like simove out lapha.
Okay.
Yes, move out. Then isikhathi sokuthi mina bangitholile isikole. Meanwhile, I was still in this critical condition. Ngafuna ngaya primary. Primary, then after lapho ngaya secondary. Ngathina ama-psychologist bangibuza like so far qoba kanjani. Yeah, I think it was 2020. I-psychology ngihambe kakhulu 2020. Yeah. At school I was not performing well. Nah, I was not performing well. Ngiperforma lapho nalapho. Yabo.
Sure.
So I was like, I even asked myself, ukuthi lento abangenza yona shuthi ingidamage to that point ukuthi nasincwadi ngisakwazi ukuconcentrate. Yeah, ngivuka nasebusuku. I had panic attack ebusuku. Ngivuke.
Sure.
Kuseni uyavuka umama uthi mfethu wena bukhuluma iwani. Why ukhuluma iwani? Yabo, nana ngikhuluma iwani ebusuku. Izinto ezinakanjalo. Like serious. Yeah, nana so lento le kula khona by escalated to ama psychologist no lo sa banama panic attacks. Eskela ka perform kahle ukhuluma iwani ebusuku. Abo izinto ezinakanjalo. So banginikeza ama medication. Medication banginikeza yona. And it did not help. Yes, it did not help. Mina long busy ngibona ama psychologist. It was very hard for me ukuthi ngenza abangani. Yeah, it was very hard to ngenza abangani because I felt shame. You know, I felt like abantu babangibhekile.
Sure. Hectic, man.
Yeah.
So, lady, right manje.
Yanqina.
Considering indaba yokuthi when you were coming here bongekho comfortable ngokusebenzisa i-public, is that part of the reason why you're not comfortable? Because umama uyewasho ukuthi you don't prefer to mingle with a lot of people. Was that just a preference, or is it part of the side effects of what you went through?
Yeah, part of the side effects.
Ne?
Yeah, ngisho kanjalo. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, because lookishini lami like abanye abantu abo sabazifika ngendlela nje. Yabo. Some other people we had to part ways. Yabo. Yeah. Yeah, iziningi ziyenzeka yabo.
Sure. So you sharing right now, because you did say Mokada ukuthi you want to open up and raise people's awareness, but I feel ukuthi there might be someone out there who might be willing to sort of listen to you and help you. Usizo oludingayo manje concerning i-situation yakho ungathi usizo olunjani?
Oh, okay. Before ngiya ekudeni.
Okay.
After matric was I didn't pass well. Yes, and even my results I was not even surprised. No. Kula khona I had to learn to be independent. Mina ngizenzela imali. Mina ngiphila ngale situation even abo yeah, kunzima yona. Yeah. Nanoma if mhlamba bangicashile emsebenzini, I had to ngibe strong. Ukuthi la ngiyasipana regardless of the situation yami. Yeah, so then 2023 my mom came across this guy named Ayanda Msweli.
Okay.
I think you know him.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ayanda Msweli. When you reached out to him, wachaza udaba lami ukuthi sinecase la nabo besacela usizo yabo, like abantu bangasinceda kanjani. That's where ubamsweli weza ekhaya, then wazuza i-story sami. Yeah, it's even on his YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yes, I think it was 2023, if I remember. Then weza ngachaza udaba wathi okay, makasinikeze isikhathi uzoyipublisha le ndaba asitholile uncedo. And he did do so. Yeah, after some 2 weeks nyana, 3 weeks nyana, wafona wathi no, usuzulitholile ama-psychologist on his side eDurban and nasekuphi nasesibhedlela inkosi Albert Luthuli.
Okay.
Yes, if ibiza kahle. Yeah, inkosi Albert Luthuli. Mengiyangale washo ukuthi procedure hamba kaso, ngibonana nama-psychologist. After lapho ngizoya esibhedlela. Yes, because uthola abodokotela yabo ukuthi like bazongi-check-a, bazonceda i-situation yami. I did all yonke le process, I think about 3 years from 2023 until now. Now manje ngine-appointment next week.
Oh, okay.
Yes, but sofika lapho. So during that period bengilongiye e-KZN bangi-check-a ukuthi like kwenzakalani. First time engiye lapha nabo bangifaka under i-anesthesia vele. Mara zaphuma but no, ama-muscles wakho wasemuva like awekho strong. So the person who did the damage went to the point ukuthi vele limaze phakathi.
Sure.
Yes, so lumuntu lo like ulimaza ama-muscles wami contractor no relax one we-anal.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what they told me esibhedlela. I was like, oh, okay. So but I had to, yeah, lapha eDurban ngenza ama-test amaningi. Yes, ngenza amanye ngikhohliwe. Ngenza ama-test amaningi, bangirefera la nalana la yabo, izinto ezinakanjalo. But so far yiso isibhedlela besengisi-attenda since ngaphuma since ngiceda umatric wami, because kasi ngisese-matric bengihamba iPhulusong. Yes. So last year but okay, before so you can operate, because they were planning ukuthi bang-operate bangilungise from phakathi vele.
Okay.
But before we do that, ne-procedure before sifika lapho, how about u-adjust it to i-diet, u-adjust it to ama-activities yabo, yeah, ukuze like u-adjust i-lifestyle yakho. That's okay yini le, but okay, you have to eat certain food and do these certain activities. That's okay. Then ngamtshela Ayanda Msweli ukuthi okay, now akwangitshela one esibhedlela. Wathi okay, so memezela ukuthi now ama-results aphumile, kuzofineka like i-budget engaka for ukuthi usizakale. Ngathi okay, akunankinga. Wamemezela, ngayithola imanyana ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthenga lokhu kudla, ngikwazi ukuthenga lezi zinto engizidingayo, because kakhulukazi bengidinga izinto zokuwasha mase ngiceda ukuyenza la.
Okay.
Yeah, so busy because bengizithenga i-clicks kanje, because yeah, bengilubhizi ngizidinga. Yeah, mabangitshela e-clinic lapha esibhedlela i-progress bengiyibona kancane, due to like ukuthi sengidla kanjani, ukuphi udle ekumele ngiku-avoid nani. Yeah. Then last year bangitshela bathi kumele wenze ama-Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises lawo phansi vele.
Kegel exercises.
Yes, ukuthi adjust ama-muscles wami. waleyo phakathi would like abe strong yana. So yeah, I did that. Even till today, I still do that, but I'm still experiencing inking because especially abashili bathi milo ayenze sokubiza every after 6 months. Ama-incident angakahlali ku-0 sisazokubiza kumele azahlale ku-0. Yes. So ngigcine February this year kuye.
Okay.
So this year ama-incidents occurrile ayi-2.
All right. Well, initially before they got to 2, how many would you have normally?
Pardon?
Ama incidents wabuye wathi 2. Ideally before you started the training bewathini?
Oh, I was having a lot. Mhlambe 6. Yeah, 6 in a month. Because ngisheme ngibamba like into lebinokuyenzakala ngisebantwini yabo mhlambe ukuthi public transport.
Okay.
Esikoleni bekuwes.
Sure.
I remember that time primary lapha cishe ngakhala because the embarrassment ingenze ekuseni. So me ingenze ekuseni, can you imagine ukuthi after school ushaya nini?
Sure.
I had to sit on my chair for like hours.
Sure.
Bangibuza nokuthi awuyi-break yini? I was like no.
Ish.
Because I know ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha phansi. So yeah. Then came after school, yeah, kulanga khona ekhaya. I told my mom about the incident. Angidlanga. I sat at school ama-hours wonke ekhaya ngiphuma manje. So mina busy being later these stories, these incidents with my mom. Bombon was like akekho sharp. Became more depressed, popping more pills. Nami amapilisi but awasebenzi. So back then ama-incident bawamaningi. So since ngihamba lesa sibhedlela sangasho ukuthi ama-incident ayehla kancane but
okay.
But just deep down just wish ukuthi ngenza operation. Into like ngifuna like ngenza operation phela yonke lento.
Yeah.
Because it seems like into ezonginceda. Wona ngasho ukuthi ama-Kegel exercises ayanceda but I don't think that to that extent I'm like am right. When ngisekudeni from toilet ngiyakwazi uzibamba up until that certain hour, that certain minute which like ngizengifike.
Okay.
Yabo. Yeah. So into ebile bangitshela yona njengoba ngisasho ukuthi next week ne appointment khona lapha namile ngiye. So yeah. At this moment bengisathanda like ithi ngibonge ubaba Ayanda Msweli. Ungincede kakhulu. Ungincede kakhulu. Ushintsho ngilibonile. Confidence ile yagineka. Nakhona ukuthi ngizila kule podcast I had to like be brave. Ngibe ne confidence about like ngikaphe lokungikaphayo. Yes. So njengoba la ubhiza ngixhasa uBamsweli, I think it has reached into a certain time with like ngikubona ukuthi like akasakhona.
Okay.
Yeah, ngiyabona ukuthi like akasakhoni like ukunikela ngebhakede. It has reached into some certain limits. Nani because kwanami ngifuna ukuzimela. Ungiyisile esikolweni because since ngilanga feel matric but ngiphumile ephepheni. Ngiphume ngo-B.
Okay.
Yes. So bathi bangibuzile but like yinto othanda ukuyenza. I told them ukuthi I like to do animation. That's why bangibhadalela isikolo se-animation. Yeah, abatshela like the music ngiyovakashela lapho nalapho producing beats nani but ama-equipments benganawo.
Okay.
So I had to concentrate kule animation. Animation first semester ngileke ngayiphasa ngathumela ama-results ngoba into yokuthi yabo bayabonga nani at least yabo. Then ngicede last year September.
Oh nice.
yes cicela last September, but there's msebenzi ayikho i-animation la eMzansi, so I had to like yona ngiyilahle ne, just I need like ngithole something ngizofaka ukudla emlomeni wami very quickly, because at that time animation school imisebenzi wakhona is scarce. Let me focus ukuthini ngenze imali. Is so yeah, even till this, yeah, ugcine nini kunceda. I think June is that's where I contacted ile breaker of, I don't know, maybe he got kind of busy. Mhlambi khona la bambezeleke khona, but yeah, all I can say is that ngifuna ukubonga kuye kakhulu futhi. Yeah, ipackage nje lincede kakhulu. Is but ukuphola kona angaphola, ngiyazizwa.
Yeah.
Spiritually, physically, yonke into.
Sure.
Yeah, just nje like angakufuneka just this push ukuthi like ngize ngibe right. That's why I'm requesting ukuthi at least an operation izonginceda.
Okay.
Is
Yeah. So bathi bafunani for your operation? Is there a fee you need to pay? Do you need transport to get there?
Currently there's no fee to pay. There's no fee because even about Dr. Mingbache would know like no bhekani, I know my board yabo, ngiyazizwa like mase ngiso ngifila kanjani, mase ngiso like kwenzakalani, insizina kanjalo. Ngabatshela ukuthi yonke le process le ngiyibona and ngifuna like isheshe iphele, because I can't keep on coming here eDurban mina ngihlala ngapha eJozi. Kuyadura ukuza lapho. Yabo, because bengiya ngi-flight.
Okay.
Yeah. Kuyadura ukuza la. How about we end it all by ningenzi operation manje, but no, we can't just normally jump to operation. Merely like silandelele le activity le sibheke ukuthi so far ekuphatha kanjani. Is that's where they gave me ukuthi no, ila some certain food, do some certain activities. Nana yeah, so kunokuba namamanzi la khona ngingabi nokudla mina lo mhlawumbe sekuselile 2 months uthi ngiye esibhedlela kula sengiphathwa stress, like I have no food, anginani imali ukuthi ngiye lapha na yabo. So yeah, ngifika nalo mamanzi nje ukuthi like mhlawumbe into engibuyisela emuva ukuthi iprogress ngingayiboni. Yeah, so like all in all, like ngifuna like ukusizakala.
Yeah. Because
I can't be like at this age still ngisesene problem ena kanje. I just want to be like other kids. Ngifuna like uyispanini. If nyabuya lapha ku animation school, even equipment right. Ngithola ispan if ngisithola. Yeah, like into like engicelayo, because as in like namanje ngisesene stress ukuthi angazi ngifikelwa yini lapha. Yeah, lapha eDurban I have no money ukuthi ngiye lapha. No, I have no money.
How much would it usually cost you?
Oh, I don't know, because usually njengoba ngisasho babangihambisa ngama-flights because okay thing I would bengihamba ngama-flights because bengithanda ukuthi like njalo ngisemoyeni. No, I had a problem esitaxini.
Okay.
Yes, I have a problem esitaxini ukuthi especially when it's stuffed. Even I don't ukuthini like get insurance. This order esitaxini yabo like ngiphathi kahle to phakathi. Yes, like angibe comfortable. Mengabe comfortable ngilida ukuthi ngibe ne stress. When I have stress le pants ngicina yabo like isingi.
Okay.
Yes, ngicina ngasabi right.
All right.
Yes, so that's why I would say bele ba suggest ukuthi no like we will pay for i-flight yakho ukuthi uze ngapha, ne-accommodation siyibhadala, nokudla sokuthengela ukuthi uzobe right, then after lapho sokubuyisela thina back to eJozi.
Okay, no, I understand ukuthi manje when the funding stops, you are unable to maintain the diet.
Yes.
And then you start to fall back because even the Kegel exercises don't have the same impact
Yes.
health-wise because outside would look right.
So look
Yeah,
right.
no, I understand.
Yes.
I understand. Yeah, I'm happy that you're unpacking it clearly. Ukuthi umuntu ohleli azokhona ukuzwa kahle ukuthi challenge kahle ikuphi, yabona?
Yeah.
So you're saying ukuthi ideally if someone can help you, at least abazama ukuthi bakunike cash flow into idingayo. Alternatively, if we can speak to the doctors to get them to maybe fast track indaba operation, it might be better. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, I think that might be better because even among apply umsebenzi yapajiseka, because even last year ngilangathola umsebenzi kuphi Springs. Yes, got a job in Springs. That year zange kube mnandi because can you imagine meanwhile ngisasebenza, boom, incident yayenzeka.
Yeah.
So menza kanjalo I had to leave manje bengicela ukuqashwa manje maye bamangala abantu nodongasezi emsebenzini nana semile maye ngicamba manga ukuthi no kenzeka some certain things nana ntathwa ngasayi emsebenzini nana knowing very well phakathi mina no why that day kenzeka like something painful. So azange kuza like upfront ukuthi ngibatshela ukuthi no bafethu that day kwenzeke something like this, no yabo.
Is what you're going through, would it not be categorized as some form of a disability?
It's a disability.
In that regard, would you not be able to qualify for a grant of some sort?
Oh yeah, selesa i-applyela i-grant SASSA. Yes, selesa apply kunjeni I think 2022. Yes, 2022. Then I think it got approved temporarily.
Oh, it was temporary.
Yeah, nakhona vele bengikho that much because at that time I think bekusahola uma 1.8 or 1.5 lapho. Well, 1.5 I had to eat, I had to buy izinto zokugeza, bemele ube nemali transport ukuthi ngiyuma-psychologist, ngiyesibhedlela because yeah, meanwhile I was still at school, isibhedlela bengisamba kakhulu. Yes, like meanwhile basafundisa uyeza umem besacela ubanele angibiza, then sengiluzile isyllabus ngisazi uba wakhuluma ngani.
Sure.
Yeah, so izinto yonke le process le like ngipayise kaningi lifeini. Yeah, ngistayise ama opportunities apha elifeini.
Sure. No man, indaba yakho ibuhlungu, my brother. It's not something that I would wish for anyone vele because as you're saying uthi nje as you unpack it nami yangishaya ndoda ngicabanga ukuthi if I were to be in your shoes ngingaba njani, ngiyazama ukuthola amazwi that would, you know, encourage you and motivate you, but your situation is quite special in a way that idinga umuntu ozokhona ukubona ukuthi mhlawumbe uyakusendela kakhulu akhona ukusiza la khona, and which is the direct reason why we thought to have a partner program to try and see if we can raise funds for you. But on average, because I assume ukuthi umuntu abe nemali yokukisa eDurban, it might be expensive. So let's talk on a budget perspective ukuthi mhlawumbe umunye umuntu okhona ukusiza angazama ukubudgeta malini ukuthi if we're setting a target for our viewers ukuthi maybe let's try and raise some amount of money on a monthly, how much would you say you need to take care of you with regards to before sibheke indaba yaseDurban mesabheke into esingayimanager ekuyi-diet nama-Kegel exercises owayenzayo. Maybe let's look at a budget in terms of how much were you spending so that if we were to set a target with the viewers maybe singayifikelela sikuphushele yona ukuthi ubusondela towards your journey of healing. Ukuthi even by the time you are fit enough to go back for another checkup, you are confident now ukuthi mhlambe ngathi indaba yami izolunga.
To say budget specifically, okay, like situation like in a month.
Oh, so monthly, looking at your budget, dietary budget.
Oh, I'll say maybe, cause yeah, since okay, I have to eat. I'll say roughly 2,000.
Okay.
2,000.
All right. So that would sort you out for the month.
Yes.
Give you your toiletries and still get you
Toiletries
food.
and everything.
Okay. I hear you. I hear you. But mina personally thinking about it, it might be a little bit low. Ngiyayicabanga nje.
Okay.
Yeah, ngiyayicabanga nje generally at the top of my mind. Why? Because udla every day.
Yeah.
You're having breakfast, lunch, and supper on a daily, and these are regulated, controlled diets where we're not talking about ukudla nje kuphela. We're also talking about the transport. Yokusuka uye la kumele uye khona. Uthole lezo zinto, and you don't get them from the same place. Also considering the fact that you're not fit enough to be going shop to shop.
Yeah. No.
There would have to be someone who does that on your behalf, which I assume maybe khona. But ngiyacabanga nje with regards to the amount oyithumele, which it might be a little bit low. But for the benefit of us who are watching, maybe 2,000 might be a benchmark to say if we can contribute at least 2,000 rands, ukuthi uzokhona ukuthi with the upcoming months, maybe we see set a benchmark 6 months. Ukuthi if you could just have 2,000 rands for the next 6 months, esibona ukuthi ushintsho oluzayo lunjani. Uyabona?
Yeah.
And then from there, bese sizobheka indaba yama flights going down to Durban, of which maybe sizoyenza part 2, because I feel ukuthi it's pointless ukuthi uye ku check up uzizwa nawo ukuthi angikho ready. Uyabona? So for me personally, it would be indaba ukuthi siye initiate ama discussion about doctor ubona ukuthi vele what sort of timeline are we looking at, because we need to be reasonable in terms of the timeline. Even the testing exercises siyenzayo sibekele isikhathi sokhona ukubona ukuthi how can we best support you as the studio and the viewers. Uyabona? At least mesiza kumuntu simtshela ukuthi sidinga usizo sine 100% information yokuthi what actually do you need iba easy. So 2,000 rands as a benchmark, but you'll submit to us the full information in terms of what exactly is it, because right now ngiyabona you're taking it at the top of your head, but let's get detailed and get down to the details. Yeah. I don't know if sengikamba phambili, is there anything that you'd like to say before we close?
Yeah, just drawing such at the beginning of the video would see some other purposes of this video, which like raise awareness would see whoever would like you saba would see as a like upfront a kulum about his or her rape case. There's still a chance nanomaville like unzimanga like at the end of the day they have to come up front, because namngisa experience like ukuyigcina phakathi kule movie like ikulimaza kakhulu. Yeah.
No, thank you so much. And obviously Tina, as a platform, we'll try our best to protect you in terms of cutting out your face or adjusting your video, your voice, I mean. But he intentionally said I want my voice to be clear and I want people to hear me as I am, and big thumbs up to him, because that's a show of courage to you who's sitting at home feeling ukuthi you are on the fence about telling your story. I think this is one of those examples that tell you ukuthi there are people there who have the courage out there to really follow their gut feeling and do what their heart tells them. And I hope that this episode has inspired you to take a leap forward and do something about your situation. Guys, I'm still motivating you guys to say, can we at least contribute? Can we at least try to set at least 2,000 rands as a budget? At the moment, we've got around 8 members. Sorry, not 8. We've got around 3 members on our channel who have actually joined the membership side, We're not saying that when you join the membership, there's other videos that you will see or whatever. That's not our angle. Our angle is sifuna ukuthi mhlawumbe sihambe siyodeliver grocery kubafo, or one day sihambe siyomyenzela grocery simdelivele, and maybe let that be a monthly thing until 6 months. Esizokhona ukubona ukuthi we set up the proper systems to assist ubafo. There are many more other people that we would love to have, love to help, but we don't have the budget to be able to help. Sometimes at one point I even thought of closing this show because it was depressing me. Everyone who's coming through really needs the help. I don't have the funds or the financial aptitude to be able to help them. So maybe let's start season 3 with a bang. Let's start season 3 helping out my brother here to try and see how we can enable him. If you really need his details and you want to know who he is, let's talk on the side. Maybe send us an email, drop us a DM, or find some way to get in touch with us. We're even showcasing the number that you can reach out on the screen. Mina personally, guys, ngikhathele ukuhlala phansi ngilalele abantu bakhala maqeda baphume ngomnyango, and then sikuma comments sikhuluma ngokuthi istory sibhlungu, but what really are we doing? What sort of impact do we have as a show and as a community? So bengithi asiqale a new page to the story. Let's go out there and help people, and reward the people that are showing courage. Let's reward the people that are showcasing strength by enabling us to listen and hear the story. So siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with us. We hope that you have learned a thing or two, and we hope that you will hit the call to join the membership platform, and maybe on the next episode or very soon we'll be going out to ubafo and we'll go deliver him his toiletries and see how we can help him with the food that he also needs to proceed with his healing journey. Siyabonga kakhulu for being with us. From me, my awesome guest, and the team in studio, it's bye for now.